Hey guys, Carl D here. I'm going to try and show you guys how to get APK files, your browser, whatever, on your Android devices. Right now, I have my Mi Box 3 hooked up that I'm recording. This also works on an Android, your Navida Shield. I've done it on. I've done it on a Formula Z7 Plus and on my 4K firestick. The app we're going to get is in the Play Store. It's also in the Amazon Market. So it's kind of nice to have. On the Shield and on the Mi Box, there was 2 apps that we have to get in order for this to work. First thing I'm going to do is go to the Play Store, go down, and make sure my auto update is turned off. Then we're going to search. We're going to type in file. And search. First app we're going to get is FX File Explorer. I've needed to have this on the Mi Box 3 and also on the Shield. On the Formula Z7 Plus, I didn't need it. And on the Firestick 4K, I didn't need this. The next app did it on its own without this. And the next app is Send Files to TV. We're going to install that. If we go down here, nope, it'll be on the next screen. Also, I took and installed Send Files to TV on my Galaxy S6, which you need to have. They also have a website where you can download to the PC. So I have it installed on my Windows 10 laptop. They also say they have it in the Mac operating system store, Mac OS market or store, whatever they call it. I don't have one, so I couldn't test it out or verify. I'm going to move this up to my favorites along with this. And move them over to the left. There we go. This is a great little app to have. It hopefully solves problems for anybody with an Android phone or a Windows PC to be able to get apps or unupdated Puffin browsers onto their Android devices. I'm going to start here and we'll go over, and you can see there's the website you go to in order to download to the PC. And done. We're going to allow it. One thing I did notice, go into the settings down here, I turned off launch at startup. It seems like this app may run in the background. I'm not real sure, so after you get what you want transferred, you may want to turn it off. Or uninstall it, I mean. So now Here we go. The Mi Box 3 is ready. I'm going to click on Receive. I have it installed on my phone already. And I'm going to open the app on the phone. And I'm going to click Send. Now in Telegram, when you see a URL or a file that's been shared in Telegram, you can click on that and download it to your Android phone. You don't have to install it, but you download it. That's where I got the older, unupdated version of Puffin TV browser. So once I click on Send on my phone, when I opened up Send Files to TV, then I'll go down to the Downloads folder. I open that up, and I have Puffin there. Now you need to have any device you're sending between on the same Wi-Fi network. So once I clicked on the APK I wanted to send to my Mi Box, it gives me a selection of connected devices that have send files to TV. And I'm going to click on my Mi Box 3, and you can see it starts to transfer the file. It's not downloading it because I already downloaded it to my phone. Now on the Shield and on the Mi Box 3, you click on it, you get this. You click on Open, it doesn't do anything. It won't open the APK. So I am going to back out of it and go over to FX, File Explorer. I'm going to accept. I'm going to allow. And let's see. We'll get past these. I'm going to get to the download. There was one I previously installed in testing, but there's the APK. We can click on it. Of course, we get the settings pop up. Let's go to Settings. Go down to FX and allow it. I'm going to go back, and click on it again. And you can see it's going to install the file that we transferred. So that's from my Galaxy S6. It transferred it from after I downloaded it to my S6. And it's a matter of just clicking on the link or any of the live URL links that you see us post in Telegram, and done. Now I am going to go through again, click on Receive, and now I'm going to go to my laptop, which I'm sorry I can't screen share. I already downloaded Send Files to TV from their website onto my PC, installed it. Doesn't open on the main screen, it shows up on my taskbar. If I right click on it, it'll give me a pop-up box that says Send Files. I'm going to click on that, and then it gives me a pop-up box where I could select downloads. And I downloaded file linked to my laptop. Didn't install it, just downloaded it by clicking on a URL on Telegram on my PC. I'm going to go down and choose Filed Linked, highlight that, and go down to the bottom and open. And then it gives me a box that I'm waiting for it to see the Mi Box 3 right now. Which for some reason is not showing up. Let me try it again. This time on the taskbar, I had to show hidden icons, send files to TV, and I'm going to click on send files, click on the file linked download to highlight it, then click open. Not sure if it's just running slow. Okay, here's the problem. I closed out my Android device since I was done with that. Let me try this again. Click receive. And right click on send files to TV. Click send files in the pop-up box. Highlight, I'm going to highlight file linked. And then click open. Then it shows my Mi Box 3 in a pop-up box of send files to TV. I'm going to highlight that and then click OK. And there we go. It starts to download the file linked APK. Once again, if you were on a 4K Fire Stick, all you have to do is click on it and click open, and it will install it. Also on the Formula Z8 with the pointer, the cursor, I ended up clicking on open and it installed it. As you can see on the Mi Box, it does not. And it was the same way on the Shield. So I'm going to go into FX. I'm going to go into the downloads folder. And over here you can see the file linked APK. We're going to go down, click on install. Seems to allow to send from device to device possibly. That could be handy for people wanting to move their Kodi that is already set up from one device to another. I didn't mess with that. That should save plugging in USB ports, USB sticks, and transferring things from one device to the other that I've seen guys talking about recently. And right there, you can see I have the file link now in there and Puffin TV, the older version there that shouldn't update. Once I installed Puffin, I could have just installed file link from there. Just showing you two different ways that I did it. Sorry I couldn't screen share the my phone or the PC so you guys could see what I was doing, but I hope I explained it well enough to be helpful. It works, like I said, for my Android phones. I've been doing it for the past few days. I hope it helps and hope it makes things easier for everybody here. You guys, happy streaming.